be talking about the AWS account setup that and sharing the credential that are needed for the developer to set up the server, databases, and other things. So please follow this guide, and in this video, I will share you the whole process. Please follow it. So in the first go to Google and search for AWS console, and you will get this AWS console sign up. And if you go to click on that, it will take you to this kind of pages, and in these pages sign into existing AWS account. If you don't have the AWS account, please create it. I assume you have already have an account, so I will create existing AWS account, and it will take you there. And there is a critical part there, you will find there are two kind of account. There are IAM user and other is the root user. So when you are creating the root, you are the creator or you are the root user. Yeah, so root user has all the capabilities of deleting all the have the full control of your AWS account. And IAM user comes under the root user. He will get some of the access, and he will manage for you whatever he needed. So when you are the developer, you will get the IAM user, and when you are the main owner of your AWS account, you will have the root user. So you will not log in as a IAM user, you will log in as a root user. So I will click as a root user, select the root user and add the email, and you have to keep the password. So I will hide this, and I will keep my password, and I will hide this from the main video. So I have put the password here, so I will click sign in. If your MFA multi-factor authentication is set up, so MFA code will be sent to your account. Just you will have to put that account MFA code, and it will work. So give me a time. We are in the main console here. So in that you have to click on that, or you can search for IAM. Okay, you will search IAM, and you can go to IAM here. Okay, so in the IAM, you have to create a new account, IAM account, that will be given to the developers, and he will use that IAM account or credential to log in and manage all the things of the database server for you. So how to create the IAM user here, and you have to click on the user here, and will create the create user. And you have to give a name for the user. I am giving developer access to AWS management console. Provide user access to the AWS console. I will click that. You can create auto generate password or create a custom password. I am giving a custom password here. It's your choice. I'm giving pass. Okay, I have given a password. Give user so recommended. I will unclick it. You can click it, but it will add an extra step for the developer. I will uncheck it. It's your choice. And if I go to the password is minimum. Okay, I have given this password. Don't worry, I will delete the account after that, after this video. Next. Okay, now you will have a set permission. I will create attach policy directory. For admin, use administrator access, so it will give full access to me to set up all the things. If not necessary, it will be easy for us to set up and everything for that. So I will select this, and I will go next, administrator access, and select create user. So user will be created. And don't click that. Before you have to download the CSV file. Download the CSV file and develop the credential. Okay, and if I open it, I will show it is of the developer, my password, and this is the console URL. So using this, the developer will log in into your account and he will manage everything. So this is the first part, and after that I will show how to create the. I will go to the second step of your process. You have to save this CSV file and share it to the developer. That you will go to return user list. You will see that the user has been created. Click on that. So the security credential here, the fourth option, security credential. Click on that, and you have to click on create access key. Go to the access key section, and you have to create a access key. Then click on that, create access key, and I will select command line interface here, and I will confirmation. I understand everything, and I will say next. You can give a tag. It's optional, so I will just create access key here, and you will see it has been created. Now don't select done. You have to you have to download the CSV file first. So download the CSV file. Okay. I have saved it, and if I open it, you will see the access key and secret access key. So I have two files right now. There, if you go there, I will see developer access keys file and developer credential. These two CSV file. This you will send this to me to the developer, so he can set up the AWS necessary services like EC2 machines and databases and other stuff for you. So that's it. Thank you for following this video. If you need any help, please contact us, and I think it will be enough for you to follow this guide to create necessary things for the developer. Thank you.